here you are.
Hey, Beavis. She touched my butt.
Hello there. Are you two heading for Las Vegas?
Yeah, we're gonna score.
Oh, well, I hope to score big there myself. I'm mostly going to be doing the slots.
Yeah, I'm hoping to do some sluts, too. Yeah, do they have a lot of sluts in Las Vegas?
Oh, there's so many slots you won't know where to begin.
Whoa. Hey, buddy, this chick is pretty cool. She says there's gonna be tons of sluts in Las Vegas.
Cool. It's so nice to meet young men who are so well-mannered.
Yeah, I'm gonna have money and a big screen TV, and there's gonna be sluts everywhere. It's gonna rule.
Oh, that's nice.
We ask that you turn your attention at this time to the front of the cabin for pre-flight safety instructions.
To fasten your seatbelt, insert the free end into the coupling. If you are seated in an
In third.
If you are unable to perform this task, please ring your call button at this time.
Damn it.
Flight attendant will reach.
Hi, can I help you with that? There you go, all set.
I love you.
Oh, wait, hey, cut it out. I want her to do it.
Come to Butthead.
Flight attendants, please prepare for takeoff.
Damn it.
Hey, wait a minute. Hey, what's going on? Hey. Ah! We're gonna die! Ah! We're all gonna die!
Come to Butthead. Could you, like, do that thing with my belt again?
Yeah, this is her.
Oh, she looks lovely.
Yeah. I'm probably gonna make out with her first before we, you know, get down. You know what I'm saying?
I'm sorry, you have to speak up, son. I have this ringing in my ears. My doctor says it could be related to my heart palpitations.
Really? I poop too much.
Oh, maybe you're lactose intolerant.
No, I poop too much. And then I get tired.
Tired? Oh, well, I know all about tired, dear. I have just the thing for you. Here, take a couple of these. They perk me right up.
Thanks. Tastes like crap. What else you got?
Oh, go right ahead. Help yourself.
So, going to Las Vegas?
Hi, we're serving dinner now. Our selections tonight are chicken piccata or seafood gumbo.
Picata, titicaca.
Oh, excuse me, does the gumbo have corn in it?
I am Cornholio. I need picata for my bunghole.
You'll have to wait your turn, sir.
Are you threatening me? My bunghole will not wait. Bunghole.
Hey, I got a beer. Want some?
I am Cornholio.
Get the hell out of the cockpit!
You said...